Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Straus ST/CP180-1800 rotary polisher. Originally it comes with a massive 180mm or 18 centimeters backing plate, but for me it's too big. I replaced with a much smaller 125mm because I'm going to have the corresponding pads for this one anyway. I'm going to use a somewhat softer pad with a finished compound. The car got already a like a cut polish, and I've done a 50-50, but because of the color of the car I don't really expect that we will see much on the video about the difference, but I'm going to do it. Why not? Not going to hurt. Anyhow, let's roll.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So you had me bite through the bullet. I won't play a second fiddle with you. You look away just when they pull it. You gotta step up, yeah, you miss your cue. Ooh, your time is up now. I'm no fool. I know what you are up to, keep things cool, but it won't help you this time. This time honest from ya. Excuse me, but I won't buy into your big lie. No need to bother me tonight. They shoot you down this time and I won't fight. I got my head held high. This time, no, no. This time, yeah. This time, no, no. Oh, you think your plan worked out, but I know what's coming your way. So you think you're better than...
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Straus rotary polisher. What I didn't like compared to the Parkside rotary, just to tell one in the same price range or very similar price range, is that whilst the Parkside's rotation looked more like constant, the speed, this one was kind of like in waves, like faster and slower. It was rather variable, even though I used both at the lowest speed. And having said that, even at the lowest speed, the Parkside rotary polisher was warming up rather a lot. This one was staying cool all the time, so that's a big plus compared to the Parkside, for example. Other than that, I could polish the car in one step and it didn't die on me. I tried the Parkside rotary in 2 steps, so just for comparison, but I'm pretty sure as it wasn't warming up and I used it at the lowest speed, it would go on for a long time, even though this one is a cheap unit. What I really dislike about these type of machines is the very short cable. It really drives me nuts, but other than that, obviously it comes with the price range. Anywho, I would say I can hands on heart recommend it if you want to use it for like a hobby purposes, but obviously if you want to do it professionally, then you would need something more proper. Other than that, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.